The rule of thumb with Q-tips is don't put anything in your ear smaller than your elbow. Individuals typically do is put Q-tips in their ears at night, but typically what they're doing is they're pushing the wax further in. Often the wax can end up sitting against your eardrum. The eardrum needs to vibrate. If you have a load on the eardrum, it won't vibrate as effectively, and it can cause a hearing loss. Wax is a safety device that keeps our ear free from insects, and also to lubricate your canal. So it's not a bad thing to have wax. It's not like you have a dirty ear, but patients should never, or individuals should never take wax out of the ear themselves.